cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain on thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone tryna.
Alright, y'all, in this video we'll be doing a carb clean on our SSR 189. If you don't know where your carb is, it is right here on a 189. It's probably easier to see from the other side, but you see it right here. And just so that we make sure you know where to find it, this is our spark plug that we changed in the last video, and right here is your carburetor. You're gonna have to loosen these things, loosen the air filter. We'll get to that part later, but loosen the air filter and you remove your carburetor right here. The homie Gilbert is gonna be doing the carb clean, so it's not gonna be as detailed because I just recorded bro doing it for me. He did me a huge favor, so shout out to Gilbert. Here we go with the carb clean. Other than basic tools, the only thing you're going to need for a carb clean is carb cleaner. Got the handy dandy Walmart, and we're getting that choke cleaner, that carb cleaner. And since it's on rollback, we finna grab to it.
There's going to be a little clampity clamp right here. Make sure no parts come flying off of this one. It will be a fucking one. Okay. Cool. Now I know where that one goes. Right here. Just flip this one up. I talk to myself just so I know where she goes.
Nah, you good, bro.
Okay, so this is your float.
Heard you.
It's kind of dirty. Yeah, it's pretty dirty in here. So don't take your float out. Man, look how much gunk is coming out of
that's
it.
crazy.
Then you just put this bitch back together.
Yeah, that sounds like my head now.
What the fuck is that in my hand?
Who works on a bike without speaker?
I have no fucking clue.
That's funny as hell. There's a speaker right there. You should have just told me something.
Bro, you gotta have the bars.
Do it on in.
Just want me to hold this bar?
You can. I mean, you're helping me out.
No, I don't know what you need it for. I was gonna put this back on.
Okay, give me a second. And you don't want to over tighten any of these bolts because all this is like casted aluminum, I think. It's not. Oh, you can let go of it, I guess. Yeah, there you go. So I have some room. Yeah, you don't want to over torque any of these little bolts because they snap.
Yeah.
I've done it on my little bike. It was no fun. Come on, which way is tighten? Go shells from the grocery store. That song is so stupid.
You better have some more people talking this thing.
Hell yeah. Shit's gonna be fire.
I want fries with it.
What?
Is that even more white?
That's crazy.
French fries and white people tacos.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Hard shells.
Nah, I can't even do hard shells.
That's what I'm craving, bro. Hard shells.
This one goes on that side.
See that shit.
Carb cleaner stinks. Like burnt hair.
So that essentially wraps up our carb clean video. For the rest of this clip is really just us trying to turn on the bike. We're still having some battery problems. We think it's the wiring, but as you can see, the carb went back on, the bike starts, it sounds good, and that's how it is after a carb clean.